want to get started with R programming but don't know how to set up your environment? You're in the right place. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to install R and RStudio step by step so you can start writing your first line of code in no time. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what we're installing. R is the programming language. It's the engine that does all the heavy lifting. RStudio, on the other hand, is your user-friendly interface, like a control panel where you write code, see plots and manage files. So step 1 is to download R. Open your browser and go to displayed link. This link is there in the description below. Click on the link based on your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Let's do it for Windows as an example. Click Bases, then hit Download R for Windows. Once the installer is downloaded, run it. The setup is straightforward. Keep clicking Next, leave the default settings as they are, and finish the installation. Now for RStudio, head over to the displayed link. This link is given in the description below. This used to be rstudio.com, but now it's part of POSIT. Scroll down and download the free desktop version for your operating system. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the simple steps. Again, just keep clicking Next until it's done. Open RStudio, and boom, you're ready to code. Remember, when you open RStudio, it should automatically detect your R installation. You'll see Full Main Panel, First Console, where your code runs. Next, Script Editor, where you write and save code files. That Environment History tracks your variables and commands. Then Plots, Files, Packages, and Help. Here Visuals, File Explorer, Package Manager, and Document. We'll dive deeper into these in the next videos, but for now, you're all set. We write our first R script and explore basic commands inside RStudio. So hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up.